iksi-iksi nito. No? And yet, 2018, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 8 years. 8 years, 8 years hindi pa tapos. And more than that, we have this big problem kasi bumigay siya noong 2024. 2023. No, bumigay siya noong 2023. And again, 23, 24, 25, 26, 3 years. No, na hindi pa rin naayos. So, it's really a repeated problem, no, in the department.
Anong factor daw po ng dahil sa
Hindi na popondohan, hindi na bibigyan ng priority, and then hindi din hindi din nagkakasundo yung mga agencies sa plano kasi matagal na tong binigyan ng cease and desist order ng DENR. No? Kasi nga yung plano hindi ma-approve, no? So ang daming problema. So I think we really have to change the way we do things. Because the problem here is yung mga residente dito and yung mga nagtatrabaho sa Minbea factory dito na I was just there and the Japanese president told me there are 4,000 workers there. 4,000 workers from Cebu go here every day and pass this road every day. And they've been waiting for years for it to finish. So I made a commitment today to the President of Minbea, and I will make a commitment now to the people of Cebu, especially those affected by this, that we will finish this once and for all before the rainy season starts. So latest by June, tapos na ito finally. So that's less than 6 months from today.